What's up? So today we're analyzing the charts a little bit. I'm looking at the GBP and JPY pair. It's the pound against the yen. So what I did here, I entered this trade like 15 minutes ago. And why I entered is because the GBP has been on an uptrend, right? But what I saw yesterday was actually that we had a break of structure. Here you see, I always look at the 5 or the 15-minute break of structure, and then I'm waiting for the retracement. And for the retracement, I can easily use the tool. It's called Fibonacci. Here you see with the numbers, and I wait for the discounted area. So the discounted area is the 88 and the 79 and the 70% area. But also what I want is the candlestick. You can see here the wicks have gone higher than these previous highs here. The candlestick close. Okay, the wick has gone higher, but the candle actually hasn't closed higher. So that's a good sign for me that we're still in with the sell order. If the actual candlestick will close above the previous highs, then we know that the trade is invalid, because then we're on a strong uptrend, and this sell order won't go good. But right now I'm really confident that GBP JPY is gonna fall from here to the levels that are marked here up. So the previous lows here, I want to see that taken. So my first take profit is at 141,500. And the second take profit is below here. As we can see, the market has left, it's called imbalance in the structure. So what we need to do is, I'm waiting for the price to come and fill this. In a long term, we're only looking for buys. Oops, sorry. We're looking for buys, but at the moment, because the structure has been broken down on the 15-minute, I'm looking to ride the wave down so I can buy from there later. And what else I can say is here that it's a strong resistance, because it's also a weekly high, and I'm also looking at the psychological levels. So it is the zeros, the 200s, 500s, and 800s. And how I placed my stop loss here was not right on the wicks, on the previous wicks here, but what I did is I put it a little bit above them, because also this lines up with the psychological level 200, 250. So I know that the algorithm works between those levels. And if I would have set my stop loss, let's say to 200, like we see here, the 200 level, which is right here, we can see that the wick of the candlestick would have taken me out. Also 250 would have been really close. Like, if you count your broker's spread in there, then most likely it would have taken you out. But I placed my stop loss to 300. So that's right about enough over the level that the algorithm could take out, and I feel safer being in the trade for longer. Because if it would have taken me out and the candle closed higher than these previous candles here, then we know that this trade is invalid. So yeah, so what I do normally when I look at the charts is the trend, the market structure, psychological levels, and the Fibo retracement, because we want to get always in from the most discounted area. So let's say the whole night for me here in Bali, let's say we take this box here, and like from midnight last night, take the box till, let's say, until London session started. Okay, so the price was in this box here. going up. So what I wanted to see is if some people were selling yesterday from up here, and I was waiting for today the price to come up so I can re-enter and from the discounted areas then. So basically, New York and Asian session, we had price inside this box and we broke through it. I call it like a fake out. So we break through the box and we're going to continue going down. That's my analysis for now. But you know, we never know exactly what the market's going to do, so we just need to react to it. But right now, by the market structure, everything was correct. We had the 1 hour and 15-minute break of structure. That's what BOS means, break of structure. And all we do is wait, be patient, and wait for the price to come up to our discounted areas. And then when we feel like it's good for us, then we're gonna enter the trade. So yo, we are back. So it's been about 24 hours since I made the first video, and on this video I'll show you guys what's been happening. So yesterday, because I had 2 trades in here, I took one out, took one of the trades out because it hit my 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I took some profits here. And the second trade, I'm glad. I was actually thinking about pulling my stop loss into profit like here, but then like you see, the price would have taken me out. I'm glad I didn't do that, and I waited, and now clearly the price has gone all the way down. So I made my 2 trades to take profits. One was 1 to 3, the other one 1 to 5. I did leave a little percentage in because I do see some more room for the price to come down and balance this area. And yeah, basically this was my trade. I'm probably gonna let it run for the rest of the day, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then you can just message me or write me a comment under the video. See ya.